Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. If you want to turn on your watch, you need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the SUUNTO logo on the screen. It takes, I would say, 5, maybe 10 seconds. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which also takes a few seconds. And here we have it, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.